In this video, you will discover strategies that will change the way you think and act with money. I will show you how to adopt a wealth mindset, manage your finances like millionaires, and seize opportunities that others don't see. And wait until you get to point 9, because that's the secret that can radically transform your financial life. Ready to discover how you can start making money like the rich? Let's go. First, let's talk about the wealth mindset. The rich think in terms of abundance. They firmly believe there are always more opportunities and more money to be made. Instead of worrying about what they might lose, they focus on what they can gain. This positive and expansive mindset allows them to see opportunities where others see obstacles. For example, when the market falls, they see a chance to buy cheap, not a reason to panic. Are you ready to change your mindset and start seeing the world with eyes of abundance? The second secret is taking total responsibility for your financial life. The rich don't blame the economy, their boss, or luck. They take full responsibility for their financial decisions and outcomes. This gives them a sense of control and power to change their destiny. For example, if a business fails, they don't see themselves as victims, but analyze what went wrong and learn from it. This sense of responsibility is liberating and allows you to take effective actions to improve your financial situation. Are you ready to take the reins of your future? The third secret is playing to win, not to not lose. The rich focus on creating and building wealth, not just protecting what they already have. This proactive approach drives them to take calculated risks and constantly seek new opportunities. For example, instead of just saving their money in a bank account, they invested in assets that generate returns. Playing offense instead of defense allows them to grow and expand continuously. Are you ready to change your strategy and start playing to win? Fourth secret, thinking big. The rich don't limit their dreams or goals. They visualize great successes and work tirelessly to achieve them. They believe that the size of their thinking determines the size of their results. For example, instead of settling for a small local business, they dream of expanding it nationally or even globally. This bold vision drives them to take actions that others consider too risky. Are you ready to dream big and act accordingly? The fifth secret is surrounding yourself with successful people. The rich understand the power of networks and relationships. They surround themselves with positive, motivated, and successful people who inspire and challenge them to be better. These connections not only provide emotional support, but also open doors to new opportunities. They attend events, seminars, and conferences where they can meet influential people. Who is surrounding you and how are they influencing you? Let's go to the sixth secret, managing money effectively. The rich don't just make money, they manage it wisely. They budget, invest wisely, and are always looking for ways to grow their capital. For example, they use financial management tools and apps to closely track their income and expenses. Good financial management is a key skill that sets the rich apart from the rest. Are you ready to improve your financial management skills? The seventh secret may surprise you, loving what you do. The rich often choose careers and businesses they are passionate about. This passion gives them the energy and motivation to work hard and persevere through challenges. When you love what you do, you don't just work, you create and enjoy every moment. For example, an entrepreneur who loves technology doesn't just build a software company, but also enjoys every step of the creation and innovation process. Are you following your passion? We can't forget the eighth secret, continuous learning and growth. The rich are perpetual learners. They attend seminars, read books, and constantly seek to improve their skills and knowledge. This constant thirst for learning allows them to adapt and thrive in a constantly changing world. For example, they invest time in online courses to acquire new skills or improve existing ones. What are you doing today to learn and grow? The ninth secret is investing in assets, not liabilities. The rich spend their money on things that make them more money, like real estate, stocks, and businesses. They avoid spending on things that only drain their money, like unnecessary luxuries or consumer debt. For example, instead of buying a luxury car that depreciates, they invest in properties that generate rental income. What are you investing your money in? Finally, the 10th secret is acting decisively. The rich don't just think and plan, they take action. They know that paralysis by analysis is the enemy of progress. They make quick decisions and adjust along the way. Decisive and constant action is what allows them to move forward and achieve their goals. For example, if they identify an investment opportunity, they don't wait for the perfect moment, they act immediately and adjust as needed. Are you ready to take action? These are the secrets that the rich use to make money while you keep struggling. By applying them, you will transform your financial life and open up a world of possibilities. Remember, change starts with you and your decisions. If you follow these steps, you can achieve financial stability that will allow you to enjoy your time and live with greater peace and satisfaction. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more life-changing advice, and if you liked this video, leave your comment and share it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video that will bring you even closer to your financial goals.